back to London. Tonight I'm heading over to London's Southbank, and on this bridge along the way there are some of the best views in town. Big Ben, Houses of Parliament and the London Eye. Pretty wet, cold, windy, dark evening here in London tonight, and there are intermittent rain showers. It's quite heavy right now, so I'm hiding under a stairwell, but I'm hoping to get a burger. I really fancy a burger this evening. There's a burger van below that tree called Bleecker Street Burger. They've got other venues. There's one at Canary Wharf, another one at Spitalfields, old Spitalfields Market, but the closest one to me is that one right there, so it's pretty exposed. It's right opposite the Southbank skate park, which is there, and as soon as the rain stops, I'm hoping it will stop, I'll over there and get a burger. To be honest, I could get one now, but vlogging and rain doesn't mix. It's quite challenging, so I'm hoping the rain will die down just a little bit, and then I can show you the burger I'm about to get. Tonight I really fancy a burger, and here in London you're spoilt for choice. There are so many great burgers available now. Burger vans used to be a last resort when I was growing up. Sports grounds, truck stops on A roads, and obviously parked up outside nightclubs peddling budget frozen burgers at gourmet prices. They used to be second fiddle to even the kebab or chicken shop at gone 2 AM. But things have changed. Now burgers in London get reviewed as if they're the pinnacle of culinary art, and if they cut the mustard, receive huge social media boosts from fans. There's nothing virtual about the queues, good reviews, and the conversation some choice Instagram pictures and a little bit of Twitter hype can create. And one burger joint I have yet to try, and one which often gets named as the best in London right now and has done for some time by burger aficionados that compile such lists, is Bleecker Street, and in particular their Bleecker Street Black Burger, or the Bleeker Black Burger. The one thing this rain should do tonight is shorten the often long queues for one of their burgers, so let's hope it does. They currently have 3 outlets, and one is right here on the bank of the Thames opposite the Southbank skate park. They have a restrained menu, I guess. It means they can really focus on getting just a handful of choices just right. The menu is oversimplified to the extent it doesn't even tell you precisely what they actually sell. They have the titles but no description, so you have to guess or ask them what they actually do, and the website's no more detailed than the menu board. I'm going to order some angry fries. I guess they involve at least hot sauce, but I have no idea precisely what theirs are because the menu doesn't tell you, and it's the same for everything else, even the burgers, so hopefully they're a pleasant surprise. They have a choice of burgers that should appeal to most: fries, soft drinks, American beer on tap, and shakes. I would like to try the renowned Bleeker Black, which according to third-party reviews is black pudding sandwiched between 2 aged beef burgers cooked medium rare, topped with American cheese, onions and burger sauce, all toasted or all in a toasted sesame seed bun. And as it's opposite London's Southbank's skate park, we can watch some of the skaters while it's cooking. I may get the content for a viral video, who knows. Wow, it looks incredible. I've got a root beer as well. Root beer is quite hard to find in London, which you might find surprising if you're watching this in the States, but so any opportunity and I get myself a bottle. The burger, sesame seed bun, the beef looks cooked quite rare. Sandwiched in the middle there is some black pudding, cheese, American cheese and onions. The angry fries look to be hot sauce and maybe some cheese there too.
Okay, let's try this.
We have three single. One double, two single. Cheese. Three fries. Okay.
One double, two single, yeah? How did you know chips? Three chips.
Yes, three.
That's really good. Would you like anything to drink?
We have the veg.
These are all the drinks we have.
Water. Two water, still water, and one sparkling water.
No sparkling water, I'm afraid.
Okay, we have cola, not cola.
No, the coke is fully. We only have this one is lemonade. This is lemonade. It's very nice. Diet Coke. Huh? Not Coke. Really, really good. We put all the coke in the fridge. Okay.
I really enjoyed the Bleecker Black burger. Definitely recommend Bleecker Street burgers if you're in town and looking for a burger. It's quite a simple burger, but the ingredients were very good, very well cooked, perfectly cooked and perfectly assembled. So yeah, great experience. The fries were nice and crispy with whatever makes them angry, the hot sauce and that little bit of cheese. It was great. I think it was cheese. Like I say, the menu doesn't actually describe what you're getting, but yeah, everything was great. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I fear I didn't capture quite enough footage to do the burger justice, but as you can see behind me, it's raining pretty hard tonight, and that's one of the challenges of vlogging here in London. Well, if you let the rain put you off doing things here in London, you wouldn't be very productive at all. You get very little done. So holding an umbrella is not an option when you're holding a camera and trying to eat a burger, but hopefully I captured enough. And it was a really good burger. Hopefully that came across in the film. So thanks for watching, and until next time, toodles.